Select the smaller of the two given numbers. It might be kind of hard to see, but this is negative absolute value of negative 16. There's a comma here, and then negative absolute value of negative 12. Well, let's look at negative absolute value of negative 16. Orders of operations say that we want to work inside of our parentheses. Well, that includes our absolute value. So the absolute value of a negative number is positive because what we're really looking at is how far this number is from 0. So we'll have negative, I'm going to bring that down. The absolute value of 16 is 16. So now we have negative 16. Let me explain a little bit better what I just said. So let's say we have, put my number, bring it up a little bit. Let's say I have negative 3. Okay, the absolute value of negative 3. I have 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. The absolute value means the distance it is from 0. So how far are we from 0? 1, 2, 3. That's why the absolute value of negative 3 is 3. Well, what's the absolute value of 3? Works the same. The distance. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to write this here, distance. When we think about a distance, it can never be negative, right? Even if you walk backwards, you're not going in a negative direction. And so that's how I think about it. What is the distance? Now let's look at this one here. We have negative absolute value of negative 12. Once again, we're going to work on the inside. The absolute value of negative 12 is 12. And I'm going to bring down my negative. Now we have negative 16 and negative 12. This tends to confuse students a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little number line. And if you need to do this too, please do it. I have negative 10, negative 11, negative 12. Make some more here. 13, 14, 15, and negative 16. They want to know, well, which is the smaller number? Okay. The farthest you are away from 0 is the smallest number. So the absolute value of negative 16 is our smaller number. Another way I like to think about it is, would I rather owe somebody $12 or $16? Which is better? Well, $12 is better. So this is actually the larger number. Hopefully that wasn't too confusing. So I hope this helps you with this problem.